6 Baltimore police officers will face charges over the death of Freddie Gray. This was announced by Baltimore State Prosecutor Marilyn Mosby. Mosby said the death of the 25-year-old Freddie Gray was a homicide and his arrest had been illegal. After the charges were announced on Friday afternoon, celebrations broke out across the city. Drivers honked their car horns as people took to the streets with fists raised in triumph.
Again, there's a process. It's been working. The state's attorney has done her job in terms of bringing something to the table. This doesn't mean conviction. These are just charges. So we're still in the middle of a process that's ultimately going to speak to whether there's justice or not. No one can say justice has been served just yet because, again, these aren't convictions. These are only charges.
The street celebrations were short-lived. They later turned into a small protest march in the evening, calling for an amnesty for those detained after Monday's rioting. Police detained 53 people on Friday, some for breaking the curfew, which is still in force in the city. However, the officers' lawyer Michael Davey has come to their defense. Davey said the police officers acted reasonably at all times and in accordance with their training.
These officers did nothing wrong. As all of the facts surrounding this case come out in the appropriate forum, the officers' lack of wrongdoing will be made abundantly clear. We believe that the actions taken today by the state's attorney are an egregious rush to judgment, and we have grave concerns about the fairness and integrity of the prosecution of our officers. Let me reiterate two things. Lieutenant Rice and all of the officers are deeply affected by Mr. Gray's passing, and that his injuries did not occur as a result of any action or inaction on the part of these officers.
Booking photos of the 6 Baltimore police officers have been released to the public. Charges against the 6 police officers range from second-degree murder to manslaughter, assault, and misconduct in office. Count records show the officers have paid bail. The 6 have a preliminary hearing on the 27th of May. Wazir, Khamsin, CCTV.